Hi guys, I'm Harmony, a color merchant at Sephora.
Hey there, it's Jeffrey here from Sephora Pro.
And we are here to talk you through your June Play by Sephora box. And this month's theme is...
Summer Nights.
Because everybody knows that when the night heats up,
so does your look. So this box is jam-packed full of products that are helping you beat the heat this summer season. There's also even some great skincare products to help you remove and keep hydrated. And remember, there's different versions of each box every month. So you're not gonna get all the product that we feature in this video. You'll get some that are selected just for you.
You wanna dive into some complexion?
Let's dive.
Drop it.
205, take one, marker.
So prepping and priming the skin is essential during the summer humidity, right? You wanna make sure that your makeup lasts all day. So these breathable, hydrating, lightweight formulas are gonna be amazing under foundation this summer.
So first up, we have the Urban Decay Quick Fix Hydrocharge Complexion Prep Priming Spray. And this is definitely a multitasker for brightening and hydration using coconut water.
Nice.
And you can use it before your complexion as well as after you cleanse and before you go to bed.
Great, so it's skincare too?
Exactly. Yeah.
Love it! So next up is a really cool product from Becca. This is the First Light Priming Filter Face Primer. So what's really cool about this primer is that it's actually a purple hue. That actually uses cool light technology to blur imperfections and brighten the skin, which is really, really nice. Then it also is infused with prickly pear, which is going to help to hydrate dehydrated skin.
Oh, look at how hydrated and recharged your hand looks.
It looks so nice and glowy, right? So pretty. Next up from Tatcha, we have a really cool innovation. Yeah, this is Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Face Primer. Now this is really innovative because it's a balm primer. Inside is infused with pink and pearl particles, which are really going to help to diffuse imperfections and brighten the skin. And then you also have a blend of 3 silk powders, which really helps to minimize texture and smooth out the surface of the skin. Another really cool thing about this one is that you can use it with creams, liquids, and powder products, which is really great.
Okay, well, I don't know if I can Tatcha that, but let's talk about this. So this is a new foundation actually from Cover FX, and this is their Power Play foundation. It's super weightless, high pigment, medium to full coverage foundation. It's transfer proof, it's weatherproof, it's great for combo oily girls like me. They call it a modern matte.
Oh, wow,
so it's
nice.
It doesn't feel like you're wearing like your mom's old matte foundation. It's
breathable,
It's
lightweight.
a beautiful, like you can see, it's a beautiful texture.
Gorgeous.
And we actually have 5 shades that are going out to everybody based on your play profile that you selected, but there are 40 shades in the range. So definitely go into store if you wanted to try a different shade. Alrighty, and next we have the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation.
Now this one's a cult classic.
This is amazing. So this is gonna give you a hydrating, natural finish. So also this is another great foundation range, 40 shades in store. So definitely go in if you wanna try a new shade as well.
Get a match for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so warmer weather, especially hot summer nights, is some of the best times to experiment with bold, daring, colorful looks. But again, you wanna make sure that you're choosing long-lasting, sweat-proof formulas. So this box is full of them.
Okay, so first up, we have the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Long Wear Lipstick. It's in a shade called Queen Bee.
I love this color.
Oh, it's beautiful. You actually put it on me, and it's this really beautiful wearable rosy mauve. And the formula is super innovative. It almost goes on as a gloss, but then it dries with a super opaque matte finish. Slight plumping effect with no stinging, and then avocado oil and vitamin E to make it super wearable and comfortable throughout the night.
Yeah, I've heard it's one of the most comfortable long-wear liquid.
It feels like I'm not wearing anything, so yeah, it's awesome. And next we have the Lancome Definicils High Definition Mascara in black, and it has this really unique kind of hedgehoggy shaped brush that kind of gets in all the lashes and with absolutely no clumps. So it's a super lengthening and defining mascara that will stay with you all night.
So last up, we have a really fun product from Milk Makeup.
Okay.
This is called Kush Mascara in the color Boom Black. So first off, you can see it's a really ultra black formula with a lot of conditioning oils, including cannabis.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah, which is really good for hydrating the lash, nourishing it. And then you've also got heart-shaped fibers in there, which are gonna stack on the lash and build a clump-free volume. And I love the brush.
Okay, so let's just jump into some skincare. So treating your skin right during the warmer months is key to making your fresh face look last and also to keep your skin healthy as well. We're gonna show you some things that are great for hydration, exfoliation, and makeup removal.
First up, from Dr. Murad, we have the Nutrient Charged Water Gel. Now this is a really cool product, and it's basically going to visibly plump the surface of the skin, minimize fine lines and wrinkles, and super hydrate the skin. Love this product.
And next we have Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. And this is an amazing gel as well. It's oil-free, and it's got a really neat sensorial aspect when you put it on your skin. It kind of feels like, to me, like kind of like a splash of water.
Yeah, it's literally like that.
Completely. I know we said it together, Jinx. Okay.
Next up from Amore Pacific is an amazing treatment enzyme peel. Now this is a water-activated powder peel that you can use daily to remove surface debris and give you a really gorgeous glowing complexion before you even apply complexion products.
And next up is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream.
Funny name, great product.
Exactly. So the amazing thing about this is not only does it have guarana in it, which has some caffeine, so smoothing and tightening properties, the smell is one of my favorite things. And it has like this, leaves behind this kind of light shimmer. So it's perfect for summer, perfect for your shoulders, legs, anything. It smells just like vacation.
Last up is actually a product that everybody's gonna get. This is from Clinique, and this is called Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. Now this is cool. It uses a blend of silicones to remove any waterproof products that are anywhere on the face.
So like liquid lip, anything, gone. Okay.
Eyes, cheeks, lips, it'll remove everything, and with no tugging, no stinging. It's a really great product to try.
Whether you're going for loose, beachy waves or a sleek updo, summer is the perfect time to try and experiment with new hairstyles. And it's also the time to really make sure that you're conditioning and hydrating potentially what could be damaged strands. And so when you have products that multitask like that, it's kind of a win-win.
So first up from my hometown of Austin, Texas is from Verb, and this is the Sea Spray. Woo! So this is really gonna help to bring out any natural texture that you have in your hair.
Okay.
So natural beachy waves, soft curl, it's gonna enhance that. And it's packed full with natural ingredients like sea salt, seaweed, and kelp. So you're basically getting the ocean in a bottle.
Next, we have the Alterna Hair Care Caviar Anti-Aging Miracle Multiplying Volume Mist, which is a 2-in-1 treatment and styler. And it uses a marine complex to boost volume and also add texture. And so this is a perfect multitasker.
Next up from Living Proof is an amazing product. This is called No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. This is a really amazing silicone-free.
Oh, wow, that's important. Yeah.
Weightless styling cream. So this is really gonna help to minimize flyaways and frizz, give you a little bit of shine, and it has amazing cumulative effects. So the more you use it, the better it works.
Oh, wow, I love Living Proof. Okay, and last we have the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. It uses charcoal to help remove any impurities, any oils, any odors if you have like sweaty hair during the summer. And then it uses white tea to also help soothe your scalp.
Oh, cool.
And the tip that I like to do is I spray it in before I go to bed. And then when I wake up in the morning, I'm able to just kind of shake it out and I have like already washed hair.
Perfect. Ready to start your day.
Exactly, yeah.
So it wouldn't even be a Play by Sephora box if there weren't some beauty bonuses. So what do we have?
Okay, so we have the Marajo Hair Care Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter, the Maison Margiela Replica Fragrance in Music Festival, Bulgari Omnia Pink Sapphire.
And then we have Prada Candy Sugar Pop. Then we have Yves Saint Laurent Mon Paris. So that's pretty much it for all of the amazing product that you're gonna get. But don't forget there's other goodies that come in the box as well, including your little bag.
This little bag, the neon sign is, I'm a sucker for neon signs. So
exactly, me too. This one's getting you all ready for summer. It says hot, hot, hot. Love that.
Oh, love it. And don't forget your playbook, which has tips and tricks for all of the great products that you're gonna receive in your play box, as well as your play pass, which is 50 extra Beauty Insider points with a purchase in store. And we all know more points equal more samples, which we all love.
We're also loving all of those amazing unboxing videos, so keep those coming. And be sure to tag us at #SephoraPlay and let us know what you're doing for your summer nights. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you later. Ciao for now.
Bye, guys. Okay.
Harmony.
This month's theme is
Summer nights.
because when
the night heats up, so does your look, honey. You better get ready, sis.
Okay, well, I don't know if I can tacha that, but I'm gonna try. You like how I tried to like really just make that joke just stay in there?
I liked it, and it's a good joke. And
Cricket.
you guys, what are you excited about for summer? Yell it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Roller coasters. This is an expose at this point. Wow. Okay, Barbara.
Motorcycle dude's still there.
Because
I'm supposed to go on a tape. That's probably what's going on.
Oh, do you have a tape?
No.
Oh.
I
I was like, do you? Oh
No,
my gosh.
no.
I'm like, we gotta get you out of here, girl.